For my birthday, my father had gifted me this kit, Sun Robotics Complete Starter Learning Kit. It's a robotics kit, and this kit is even compatible with Adruino Uno. So I'm really eager to unbox this. So here we go. Now that we have opened the box, now let's see. There are some pamphlets here. So this is about how to start Arduino. So this pamphlet is saying about how to download Arduino IDE. And then we'll see about, this is the whole components list. We'll soon learn about it in our later stages. And then this is the starter guide. Now let's see the components in the kit. So here we have the Arduino Uno, a prototype expansion, jumper wires and breadboard, PIR sensor, also known as passive infrared sensor. Here is the water level sensor, a number pad, RFID kit, wire to connect Arduino to the computer. This is a tiny RTC12C, also known as real-time clock, a stepper motor, a motor driver board, a motor and fan, IR sensor, a joystick module, 7-segment LED, servo motor, IR remote, the TSOP module, also known as proximity sensor based on obstacle detector sensor. Here is the power supply module. Here is the potentiometer, a power adapter, rotary encoder module, 5-volt relay, push buttons, MPU 6050, DHT11 module, also known as digital humidity temperature module. This one is a 4 digital tube, a battery snap connector, an LCD display, a MAX 7219 module, sound sensor, and a buzzer. So here we have some ICs. Here are resistors with different values. So in our coming up projects, we learn how to find out its value. A photoresistor. It's a resistor. These are LEDs, light emitting diodes, a normal diode, here are capacitors, few capacitors with different values, some transistors. So friends, now we'll see what's inside the book. So the first page says about how to install the IDE. The second page says about Arduino's programming in brief. And then we have maths operations, comparison, control, digital, analog. And then we have about the electronics in brief. As we have seen about the components like LED, diode, resistors, transistors, etc. It's given brief about it. And then comes the circuits, how to make them. Here's the model, and then here's the code. So even if you don't know C or C++ much, here it can help us. And then first one is blinking LED, second is RGB LED, button pressing, push button, control LED, blink rate, music buzzer, relay, photoresistor, 16:2 LCD display, temperature, servo, RGB and motor, and that's all. So we have 11 circuits in all. Out of curiosity, I had done this circuit number 1, which is blinking LED. So here's the circuit I would like to show. Here's the circuit. So this is the Arduino board, the power connection, the LED, the resistor, 2 wires, and then their connection. And now you can see that it is blinking. We can even control its blinking rate. So what is happening here is there are few pins on the Arduino. One is ground, which is the black wire, and the other all the others are pins. So the ground wire is connected to one part of the LED, and the then there's the resistor, and another wire comes and goes into the pin 8. As you can see, the code is written. So the code says that the LED pin is equal to 8. As you can see here, the LED pin is equal to 8, and then we need to set it up that this is a pin. After that, it will go on. So this setup will only happen once, but this loop will happen all the time until and unless we stop the power supply. So it's saying that to write the code to turn it on, and then after 1 second it should turn it off. After 1 second, again it's a loop, so it will turn it on, wait for 1 second, turn it off. So friends, now that we have unboxed the kit, in our later videos we will learn how to make good projects with Arduino. So do share this video with your family and friends, and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and meet you in my next video. Bye bye.